Good, Judge.
All right, are you Christina Lynn Crow?
Krishna, yeah.
All right. This is case number 20 CR 271, State of Ohio versus Christina Lynn Crow.
Your name is Krishna Crow, not Christina.
Oh, I'm sorry, Krishna. Yeah. All right. Krishna L. Crow. This hearing is being held by Zoom to defendant being out of town and also the COVID-19 pandemic. This Crow is appearing by video from the Southern Hope Recovery Center. Ms. Hackner, Captain Hackner, her attorney, is on the session. Also, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Adam King is present, as well as Probation Officer Arjima of the Probation Department of Pretrial Services. The defendant is charged with illegal conveyance of drugs abuse on the grounds of a specified governmental facility in possession of drugs. There has been a motion filed for an intervention in lieu of conviction, and it was set to plea originally March 4th. It continued at that time because the defendant was in a hospital and then was going to go to a residential treatment, and so the matter was continued to today. Now, at this point, I do have a report that she is, well, actually, it looks like she's been in a couple different places, but she's currently there since Sunday, and but we don't have a pre-sentence report. Now, Ms. Crow sent an email to my assignment commissioner asking for the state to push back, but she hadn't had a chance to meet the probation officer, which actually isn't correct. There's been plenty of chances to meet, she just hasn't done it. And so, at this point, the court will continue this matter. And also, I understand Ms. Hackner has some difficulty talking with the client as well. We're getting in touch with her.
I've had some issues. She has, in the last couple of days, been responsive on email and given me her address so I can send her the plea format and the questions for her to sign and get back to me.
Okay. All right, because I know there have been some conversation about that as well. All right, Ms. Crow, here's the situation right now. You're in you're in an approved treatment program, although you went to the counseling center after the hospital, and then you were discharged there administratively because of repeated behavioral infractions. And so now you're in this other location. I'm not real familiar with them, but they are a approved program under OMOS. So that would qualify you for this program, but we still need to have a pre-sentence report. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you one last chance to get that report and talk to Mr. Arjima and then get that report to the probation officer doing the report. For your information to pack it to the probation officer who's writing the report. So I'm going to continue this until April 14th at 11 a.m. Now, if you are still in that facility, you can't do that by Zoom. I'm going to amend the previous bail order to require that you remain in the Hope Recovery, Southern Hope Recovery Center during the pendency of this action. So that's now a condition of your bond. But based on what I've seen and all the situation where you've been bouncing around and having issues, it appears to me that that's not necessary for your short-term health. Also, it's interesting that what you told in the email the assignment commissioner was that you've never been to jail, you really don't want to go. And that, I don't believe that. That's a normal thought. Not very many people in the right mind want to go to jail. But that tells me that that's your goal here, not getting clean. And so until you start getting your head around the fact that you've got an issue, based on your own statements here, you're gonna have a problem. So we're gonna say that if you leave there and I get notification, probation department's left, we issue an order for your arrest. And you're gonna be brought to jail, and then we'll have a hearing here and then decide what's gonna happen. At least at that point, we'll know that you'll be available for appointment. So, as soon as we get done, you call Mr. Argino. Do you want to call you or Mr. Fulton?
You can call me.
Okay, you call Mr. Argino, and then he'll, set that up for you to get that packet in, get it to Mr. Fulton so that we can do this. You have an opportunity here, and it looks like that we have your felony record, and I'm sure your attorney's explained this to you. And she's been doing everything she can to get this facilitated, but we need you to cooperate. You need yourself to cooperate for your own benefit. Alright, so April 14th at 11 a.m., we'll do it by Zoom, from that location, that you're at now. And, like I said, if you leave there, then we'll have if you're gonna leave there, let me put this, if you're gonna leave there, come to the probation department, turn yourself in. And if you don't, we'll issue a warrant for it.
Yes, sir.
Anything further, counsel?